Charlie was just walking back there to that dump truck, so we're here to buy a second dump truck. So the one that's got the bed raised up is what he's going to look at, so let's go check it out. Augusta.
Augusta. Okay, so not close. About an hour and 40 minutes or so. Okay. So was this a day cab truck?
Yes. Yeah, we'll make dumps out of day cabs as long as the frame is, long enough.
Good. Yeah.
We don't stretch frames, short frames, as long as it's.
Helpmate's helping out under the truck, the new truck we just got. Air dryer problems. I'm holding it up.
Okay, well, I'm going to talk to you for a second about the joys of owning dump trucks. This is my second dump truck because my first one is down, and I've had this one, I don't know, 12 hours, and it's down. So yeah, it's the joys of dump trucking. This is an air dryer, and this one went bad. I did try to rebuild it, the inside, the purge valve and the governor. That didn't work, so that was the cheaper route. I should have known that probably wasn't going to work. Anyway, these air dryers used to be about $350. This one today was $550. So yeah, the joys of dump trucking. Just hold still.
Okay.
You don't end up dropping it. Okay, lift it up. Don't push so hard. Let me help direct. Come up. Right there. Hold what you got.
Okay.
What? I don't know what you're doing.
I'm just holding it.
Not letting it go in there. No, I can't see a thing. Take it back down. Hold what you got. Look at me. Here's the hole on the frame where the bolt's coming out. Here's the hole on the piece you got right there. You're up like this.
Okay.
I need you to put it up flat on the frame.
Okay, well when you tell me to twist it, I twist it as far as I can. I can't go no more.
Yeah. Well, that's far enough. It gets in the right angle, but you're still hovering in air. It needs to go flat up against the piece there.
Where are your clear glasses? I've got stuff falling in my face.
Up on that cardboard box right there. I'm gonna try to help you steady it. I think it will. Then I attempted.
Where am I trying to go?
Right here. See that dirty
This?
spot? No. See this right here?
No,
You probably can't see.
I can't see any of
Okay.
that.
Just, you see the dirt spot where it was?
This?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's where it goes.
This right here?
Yes.
Well, that's what I was watching.
Well, there's 3 holes. You're lining up maybe that hole. That's not the hole I'm on. It's the other one across from it.
Ready?
Yeah. Up. Oh, you're fighting me.
You're fighting me.
Because
When you
need
tell
to
me
go-
up, you're pushing down on it.
Right, because now you're at the other angle. It needs to be flat. You're holding it up like this. So I need it to go flat so I can get the screw started.
Maybe I should sit different, not lay down.
I don't know. I just need you to hold it flat. Don't hover it and don't twist it.
Well, I'm not exactly a diesel mechanic here.
I'm not either.
Yeah, but you know more about this than I do.
Not much. Hold on. Don't move yet. Let me get my hand on the board. Okay. Come up. Up. See, come up. Well. Can't see. Come up. Up.
You want me to call Austin?
No. We can get it. We're just, when you don't know what you're trying to do, makes it very hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I put it up here,
Look on
I
your
can feel
side.
myself go flat to it.
Yes, it needs to be there, but I got to be able to see the hole to get it lined up and then go flat. If you go flat, I can't see a thing. See this side over here, how it's got bolt holes?
Yeah.
You see how they're oriented?
The 3 holes, the
Yes.
triangle, yes.
That's the exact 3 I'm trying to put in over
I know.
here. So the one furthest from me is the one we're trying to get in.
Furthest that way?
Yep. Alright.
Hold on, where'd I have my head while we go to do this? I can't figure out.
Come up, 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 up.
I can't see where the holes are.
You don't have to see. Come up. Come up. Come up.
Did we do it?
I think. I don't know. I want to say.
Oh, I hope it's heavy.
Alright, let it go. It's caught.
Would you believe that's 7.5 minutes worth?
Yeah. Now this one you just need to get aligned and you figure out where I can get an
I
angle.
see you. Now see, that's what I needed a while ago. I needed to be able to see you.
Well, that's good that
Look.
I can see me.
Can you see my fingers?
No.
Well, let me take. Hand me the bolt. I'll put it in, then you find the bolt.
You'll never get it in.
Look, no, let me get it started so you can take your hand down here and you'll know where to go. Now, feel that. There. Got it?
Yeah.
Let me see it again.
You can just kind of guide me.
That's what I tried to do.
When you take it out of my hand and I can't get my wrist oriented.
Alright, be still.
Ah, you're killing me. Alright, I can do it from there. Can you do both from there?
I'm gonna try. Can you see what I'm doing?
No, I
From
can't
top
see
there?
anything.
I think I got it. I got it. I got it started at least. It's in there.
Is it?
I got it.
Is it started?
It's holding.
Well, but is it cross-threaded or is it straight? It should keep screwing in if it's not cross-threaded. How many times did you turn it?
I'm still turning it.
Okay, put this one in the bottom then.
I can't believe I can add to my house.
Down?
Diesel went
Down.
down. I'm gonna have to feel them. There it is.
Yep. Keep turning them all in as far as you can get them, for the most part.
I gotta give my neck a break.
Alright, you're good. It started. That's good enough.
Helpmate's gonna check out the work she did for Charlie, so the air should come out of the air dryer here in a minute. I'm gonna try to record it. Woo! Gosh, it scared me. We just fixed the air dryer on it, Charlie and I, and he's getting ready to take it for a spin. We're gonna see if Grandpa Bob will go for a ride with him.